Hello friends, now here is the step-by-step solution of this math problem by using the BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule says first we solve bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket. O stand for of we convert into multiplication, we solve roots and exponent. D stands for division, M stand for multiplication, A stand for addition, S stand for subtraction. And now according to the BODMAS sequence, we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. First step says solve the innermost parenthesis, calculate. There is 5 multiply by 3. Inside the square bracket, it gives you 15 as a result. And according to this step, BODMAS requires solving the innermost bracket first. So now the current expression becomes square bracket 90 divided by 15 square bracket of multiply 4 power square plus 2 power cube. So now in the next step, simplify the square brackets. Evaluate exponents. First divide 90 divided by 15 will gives you 6 as a result. And now calculate the powers. There is a 4 power square which is 4 into 4 16 and then 2 power cube which gives you 8 as a result. According to this step, clear the first completed bracket and solve the order and exponent. So now the new expression becomes 6 multiply by 16 plus 8. Move to the next step. Solve the remaining addition inside the bracket. Now first we add the remaining numbers which is 16 plus 8 inside the parenthesis which is 16 gives you 24 as a result. According to this step, all the operations inside the bracket must be simplified first. Now the new expression becomes 6 multiplied by 24 and according to now the new expression becomes perform the final multiplication. Now multiply the digit. 6 multiplied by 24 gives you 144 and this is the final remaining operation and this is the final result. So now according to this expression, by using the BODMAS sequence, conclusion says following the precise hierarchy of BODMAS ensures that brackets and inner exponents are cleared systematically, leading to the final verified answer is 144. So I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye bye.